loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a Zara try on haul for you guys. This is just a little haul. I really wasn't planning on filming a haul. I just wanted to browse and see if they had any new items worth sharing. Of course, I found a couple of really cute things. I did order two things online that did not come in yet, but I will link them down below. The first item is this denim jacket, and I also ordered this white shirt. So neither of those pieces came in yet, but I did see the denim jacket in store and it is absolutely beautiful. They just did not have my size. That's why I ended up ordering it online. But everything else that I'm about to show you, I did pick up in store. So before we get started, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a big thumbs up, comment down below if you love fall fashion, because fall is my favorite season, my all-time favorite season. So let me know if you are excited for more fall hauls, fall home decor, fall clothing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with this jumpsuit because it is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love the way this looks on. It is beautiful. It's so modest but so sexy at the same time. I love it so much. This color is just perfect. As you can see, it's very flowy. You see how it pleats right here in the middle, so that's perfect for my tummy area, because I feel like it does conceal my stomach a little bit, because I do have a little bit of a stomach. So I love that little detail. I love that the sleeve is flowy and it goes down to my elbows. It's a perfect length. It does have a button in the back, and it's sexy because even though you're covered up pretty much everywhere else, this deep V here just looks so good on. I will list down below an Amazon bra that I love to wear with low cut tops. I will link it down below for you guys because this would go perfectly with this jumpsuit. Also, there is a zipper on the side of this jumpsuit, so that's how you would get in and out of it. This one was a little bit pricey. This one was $69.90, and this is in a size US extra large. I love it. I highly recommend it. I will also have my measurements down below in the description box for you guys, so that way you can reference it. So let's do pants and then we'll move into tops. So I got 3 pairs of pants to show you guys. So this is the first one. This is in a size extra large. This was $45.90, and I just absolutely love this button detail. Very cute, very stylish. This is definitely more of a crop style. I just love the way it looks. That's what the back of it looks like. These pockets are faux, they do not open up, and the material on this is very stretchy. This waistband back here is also stretchy, so that's really nice. So I really love the fit of this. I think the quality on this one is great. I've seen a lot of pants like this over the years, but this one is the first one that I really like, and it also has pockets here on the side, so that's a nice little touch as well. You can definitely dress this up or dress this down, tuck a shirt in, wear a bodysuit, whatever. Just make sure these beautiful buttons are showing. So next up are these high-rise leggings. These were super affordable. These were $35.90 in an extra large, and they fit so well, you guys. And I love this print. I have been seeing this print everywhere, so this print is going to be popular all autumn long, and I'm not mad about it because I think it's actually really flattering. So it does have a zipper in the front, so that's how you would get in and out of it. The entire thing is very stretchy, so that's really nice. And you know, sometimes the zippers kind of run down and it's super annoying. I don't find this one annoying. It's easy to zip up, it doesn't come down, so I really like this one. It fits really nicely. It does have a skinny leg. It does come in solid colors as well, and I believe it comes in another print as well. I absolutely love this, and I feel like the pattern kind of again conceals my stomach area, so I love this. Highly recommend it. And as you can see here, very stretchy. So next up are a pair of jeans. I have a love-hate relationship with Zara jeans. They run incredibly small, and I can hardly find a good pair of jeans at Zara. I feel like I can fit into some of their jeans, but not a lot. But this happens to be one of the jeans I was able to fit into, but it also feels a little bit tight, so I'm unsure about this one. But this is a baggy fit. This is a paper bag, carrot leg, ankle rigid jean in a US 12. It is so cute. It does come in other colors as well. It comes in a light wash, it comes in a gray color, which I think I've showed you before, a khaki one, a green one. So they have a bunch of different colors in this style. So typically I am a 14, but I was able to fit into this 12, which is surprising for Zara. Well, actually it says a baggy jean, so that's probably why I was able to fit into it. So on me, it's not as baggy. It kind of fits me a little bit more fitted. But yeah, for that reason I'm unsure about it. Like, I like it, but I don't know if I love the way it looks on my body. And as you can see, it does have like distressing all over it, so it is more of a distressed look. So as you can see, it looks faded there. Zipper, button detail. It is a nice soft denim, so I do like that about it. And back here it just has the little Zara logo there. Okay, so now let's move on to tops. And first off is this t-shirt. It just says Paris on it. Daily influencer, the ultimate trend of the year, and it has a bunch of other wordings on it. It's a pretty soft plain t-shirt. This is in a size extra large, and let me see, this was $17.90. I love a cute basic oversized tee, so I like this one. I'm definitely going to be tucking this into my jeans or rolling it up, or I don't know, we'll see how I feel that day. Maybe I'll wear it completely baggy, but I do really like it. I like the price point and I like how soft the material feels. So next up we have this shirt that I did purchase a few months ago actually, but I saw that they still have it online, so I wanted to show it to you guys. That's why it looks all wrinkly, because I did wear it and I had it shoved in the back of my closet. But it is a button-up shirt and I really like this one because it does have like a little ruched detail there. So I did like that little detail. It has a collar. The material is on the thicker side, so perfect for the fall time. It's a really nice basic staple piece, but a little bit different because of the little ruched detail in the front. The back of it is pretty plain. I do like this shirt. I highly recommend it. This is in a size XXL. I do not remember how much this shirt costs, but I will pop up the price up there. But I do like it, and it's not really a stark white shirt, so it's kind of like an off-white cream color, so I like that because it won't show up as dirty as fast. For $17.90, I do like this one, but I feel like the bust area is a little bit small for me. I was hoping to wear it as is, just buttoned up with a pair of high-waisted jeans, but I might not be able to do that. I might only be able to wear this with like a cropped tank underneath, because I feel like the buttons were popping open a little bit, so the bust area was just a little bit too small for me with it closed. So for that reason, I don't know, I'll have to play around with it. I am a 38D for reference, so if you are my size or you are bigger, this bust area might be a little bit small. But I also thought it was really cute because it does have that little ruched detail there as well. I like the ribbed material. It does come in other colors, and I think the price point is perfect. It's very plain and simple. I did like the white one, but they didn't have an extra large, so I ended up going with the black one. So next up is this t-shirt slash sweatshirt. So it's made with that sweatshirt material, but it's short sleeve. It goes down to your elbows, so I like that little detail. So you are covered up in the arm area. It's oversized, it's loose fitting, it's baggy. I'm most likely just gonna front tuck this into my jeans. I do really like this one. This one comes in other colors. I saw it in white. I believe I only saw it in white. I don't believe they had any other colors, but of course I went with this one. I don't know if you can tell, but it also kind of cinches a little bit in at the bottom, so I do really like the style of it. It definitely gives you that baggy look, but that put together structured baggy look. So for that reason, I love the structure of this one. It does have a crew neck. Love it. No complaints. This is in a size large, and this is $25.90, so you can size down in this one because it is very oversized. The last shirt I have to show you is also like a sweatshirt t-shirt type of thing, but I'm not really sure about this one. I don't think I like it on me. The material on this one feels very similar to the material on this one. This one does have like a little V, but the bottom is a little bit different. It has like a shirt material, so I liked the style. I like the combination of the two materials. This is also in a large, oversized, so you can size down, and this one was $19.90. That's what the back of it looks like. It is cute, but I just don't think I like it on me. I don't believe this one comes in other colors. Well, I didn't see them in other colors in the store I went to, but it is a cute and cool concept, so maybe I will tweak it a little bit and see if I'm going to keep it or not. And the very last item I have to show you is this necklace set. This was $19.90, and it comes with two necklaces. So you get this chain link one, and then you also get this flat one. I don't have anything like this in my jewelry collection, so I had to pick this one up. I thought it was so pretty, a little bit edgy, a little bit feminine, but masculine at the same time. So I like that look in the fall time, especially in the fall time. Usually I go for more dainty pieces, but I just really liked the look of this one. I felt like it was feminine but masculine at the same time. So love that, and they both have separate closures, so you can wear them as a set or you can wear them by themselves. I just thought it was so pretty, and I love like the rusted gold look of Zara jewelry. It's not like a shiny bright gold, so I do enjoy their jewelry. I have purchased many items from them in the past and they hold up really well. So that pretty much wraps up the Zara haul. If you guys enjoyed this little haul, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you feel like following me on my other social media accounts, I do have them linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.